Hello, everyone. Have you ever been curious about how creatures like snakes are processed? It's an intriguing topic, with various applications in different fields, from medicine to food production. Processing snakes involves a careful and controlled approach to ensure safety and efficiency. Let's explore more about this amazing process. A python farm is a facility where pythons are bred and raised for commercial purposes, such as skin production, meat, or conservation programs. These farms are designed to provide a controlled environment for raising pythons, with a focus on maintaining animal welfare and ensuring compliance with legal and ethical guidelines. Python farming can play a role in reducing pressure on wild populations. Python skin separation is the process of removing the skin from a python, typically for use in fashion, leather goods, or taxidermy. This process involves careful preparation and a skilled hand to ensure the skin is removed intact without damage. It starts with cooling the python to reduce muscle stiffness, making the skin easier to work with. The python is laid out on a flat surface, and a small incision is made, often at the base of the head, to begin the separation. As the skin is peeled away from the body, special care is taken to avoid tearing or stretching. In Europe, python skin is often associated with high-end fashion and luxury brands. Countries like Italy and France are known for their luxury goods, and python skin is a common material in these sectors. The European market demands high-quality python skin, often favoring unique patterns and a premium finish. In America, the demand for python skin is also linked to the fashion industry, with a focus on exotic leather products. The demand in America is influenced by fashion trends, with consumers seeking unique and exotic materials for their accessories. Python skin is highly valued in the fashion and luxury goods industry for its distinctive texture and durability. Products made from python skin, such as boots, belts, handbags, and wallets, are often considered premium items due to the unique patterns and smooth feel of the material. Ethical and legal considerations are crucial in the python skin trade. Sustainable sourcing and compliance with international regulations, such as CITES, Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species, are essential to ensure the protection of python species and avoid illegal trafficking. Python meat is consumed in some cultures, where it is considered a delicacy or a traditional food item. People who consume python meat believe it has various benefits, and it's typically prepared in specific ways to ensure safety and palatability. Python meat is high in protein, which is essential for muscle growth and repair. It also contains other nutrients like iron and essential amino acids. This makes it a potential source of dietary protein, especially in areas where traditional meat sources are less available. Pythons are carnivorous reptiles that eat a variety of prey, depending on their size, species, and habitat. Smaller pythons, like the ball python, tend to eat smaller prey such as rodents, including mice and rats. They may also consume small birds and amphibians. These smaller pythons are often found in forested areas, where their prey is abundant. Larger pythons, like the Burmese python and the African rock python, can take on larger prey. They eat animals such as rabbits, pigs, goats, deer, and even small primates. In some cases, they have been known to eat larger animals, depending on their size and strength. Preparing python meat requires careful handling to avoid contamination and ensure proper cooking. The meat must be thoroughly cooked to eliminate any potential pathogens or parasites. It's often marinated or cooked with spices to enhance flavor and tenderness. Eel farming, also known as eel aquaculture, involves raising eels in controlled environments for commercial purposes. The practice has grown in popularity due to the demand for eel in various cuisines, especially in East Asia and Europe, where eel dishes are considered a delicacy. The process typically begins with breeding and rearing eels, often from young glass eels or elvers. These are the early stages of eels that have migrated from the ocean to freshwater habitats. Breeding eels in captivity can be complex, as many eels have specific spawning behaviors, usually requiring migration to certain locations in the wild to reproduce. Eel farming utilizes tanks or ponds to create a controlled environment that mimics natural conditions. Temperature, water quality, and other factors are carefully managed to ensure the eels grow healthily. The feeding of eels is also an essential aspect of their farming. Many farms feed eels a combination of live or frozen fish, like smelt, sardines, or anchovies. Commercially prepared pellets are another common food for eels in farming and aquariums. These pellets are designed to meet the nutritional requirements of eels, containing the right balance of proteins, vitamins, and minerals. This way, eels get a consistent and balanced diet without the need for constant foraging or hunting. Overall, the key to a healthy eel diet is providing a variety of protein-rich foods. Whether from live sources or prepared ones, and ensuring they get the right amount of nutrition without overfeeding. Japanese eel dishes are a staple in traditional Japanese cuisine, with uneji, freshwater eel, and anago, saltwater eel, being the most popular types. These dishes are often prepared with care and a deep sense of tradition, offering a range of flavors and textures that are unique to Japanese cooking. One of the most iconic dishes is unagi kabayaki. It involves filleting freshwater eel and grilling it while brushing on a sweet, soy-based sauce called kabayaki. The sauce, made from soy sauce, sugar, sake, and mirin, gives the eel a shiny, caramelized glaze. This dish is usually served over steamed rice, providing a satisfying balance of sweet and savory flavors. Eels are carnivorous creatures, which means they need a diet high in protein to stay healthy. In the wild, eels usually eat smaller fish, crustaceans, and other aquatic invertebrates. They are opportunistic feeders, so they will consume what is available in their environment. When it comes to eel farming or keeping eels in aquariums, the diet is carefully controlled to ensure they get the nutrients they need. A lemon packing machine is used in agricultural and food processing industries to automate the process of sorting, packing, and sealing lemons for distribution. These machines are designed to increase efficiency, maintain product quality, and reduce manual labor, making the packing process smoother and faster. Check out this incredible chicken fries factory, where chicken is transformed into crispy, delicious fries through a highly efficient production process. These factories specialize in creating chicken fries, a popular snack and fast food item known for its crispy exterior and tender chicken interior. Let's take a closer look at the key steps in the factory's production process. First, the chicken is prepared by cutting it into uniform strips, ensuring each piece is the right size and shape for optimal cooking. This step requires precision, and factories often use automated cutting machines to maintain consistency and reduce manual labor. This cake-making machine is truly next level, showcasing the latest in baking technology and automation. Designed to streamline the cake production process, this machine takes care of everything from mixing the batter to baking, decorating, and even packaging the final product. Robots have come a long way in terms of advancement and sophistication, becoming integral to many industries. In this video, you can see just how remarkable modern robots are. They are designed to perform tasks with precision, speed, and reliability that was once unimaginable. This birthday cake is a delightful creation that embodies celebration and joy. With its vibrant decorations, rich flavors, and thoughtful design, it's the perfect centerpiece for any birthday party. The cake features multiple layers, each filled with a luscious filling that complements the soft, fluffy cake. The exterior is beautifully decorated with intricate icing work, featuring colorful designs, edible flowers, or perhaps a custom message to mark the special occasion. An advanced orange machine refers to highly sophisticated equipment designed to automate various processes involving oranges, including sorting, juicing, peeling, packing, and more. These machines are widely used in agricultural and food processing industries to streamline operations, improve efficiency, and maintain product quality. A chicken cutting machine automates the process of cutting and portioning chicken, a crucial task in poultry processing. By automating the cutting process, they also enhance food safety by limiting direct contact with raw chicken. The typical chicken cutting machine consists of several key components. An automatic baking machine is a sophisticated piece of equipment that automates the baking process, making it easier to produce large quantities of baked goods efficiently. These machines are commonly found in commercial bakeries and food production facilities, where consistency and high output are crucial. The process starts with automated mixing, where the machine combines the dough or batter with precise measurements to ensure uniformity. This step is critical for maintaining the quality of the final product as it eliminates manual inconsistencies.